All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in the last lecture here, I told you to take this challenge to fix this path here. Hopefully you were able to do it if you are on a live server. If not, don't worry about it. I got your back, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So let's go to our directory right here. Right here, we are in car.php, right? So let's see how many directories it takes to go back to that config that we have in the home directory, how many folders. So I'm in car.php, right? This is the public one, and I'll show you right now. I go to public, resources, and the cart right here, right? So let's go back one directory, all right? This is the public HTML, two directories, and now we are in resources. So two directories and then / resources to get there. So let's go here and let's say one directory, two directories, and then resources. All right. Remember, these two dots means that you're going back one directory. So one directory, two directories, and then resources. All right. And then here we'll remove, all right, this public for, we just remove the public. All right, make sure that you just have that there. All right, so let's just do save. Let's come back to our site. Let's go to the beginning of it, and then we'll click here, and voila, now it's working, right? Beautiful. Now there is a lot of links that we need to fix to make this work, since the path for our e-commerce system is not from our local computer is not the same as for our actually live server. All right, so I hopefully you understand exactly what's going on here. So every time you have a problem with one of these links, it just means that the path, it's not right, and we need to change that path. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, so we go to home again. Let's just try this again. Add to cart. Beautiful. All right, so that's the first fix that we got to do here. Now keep this in mind. Look at this. Minimize that, and then we have a problem. And why do we have a problem? Well, look at the path right here. We got redirected to checkout.php. We should have got redirected back to checkout. Enter. There you go. You see that? That's all. All right. So I leave that to you. All right. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to do it, but I want you to go and fix this. All right. For all of them. All right. So fix those paths, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.